Recently, the M hanging on my door fell off and broke. The first thing that came to my dad's mind was to buy a Ryobi glue gun. It was easy to set up by simply connecting the battery to the dock and pushing glue sticks into the gun. To turn it on, flick the switch and make sure both lights are red, then leave it for 4 minutes to heat up. To reattach the ladder, we applied glue to both sides of the M. As you can see, the glue easily flows through the gun's nozzle. Then we push them together and let it dry for about 2 minutes. Once those minutes passed, it was time to check how sturdy the glue was. I shook it and it didn't fall apart. Next, my dad wanted to reattach it to the door, so he applied glue to the back of the M. He pressed and held it to the door for around 2 minutes. As you can see, it didn't move after we shook the door. Now I'll show you what came inside the box. This is the Ryobi 1 Plus compact glue gun. Inside the box came the dock and its stand. Both have built-in LED lights. It also came with 5 glue sticks with a 7mm diameter. The nozzle hole of the gun has a diameter of 1.8mm. It takes about 4 minutes to heat up and should be left to cool once done. Additionally, if you're a fan of Ryobi, you should join the My Ryobi Community ANZ Facebook group. You can find many tips and tricks for your tools and be the first to know when items go on discount. There's a lot of official Ryobi content and a helpful community.